Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis about 24 hours ago, so that is where the green line here is coming from, valued at 204, and that's a very important number now going forward. Main reason being, remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart may look different, but I'm going to keep the video relevant by just talking about more so a broad level and then walking you through the key question to ask yourself. And that question has everything to do with, again, that green line at 204. As I talk right now, yeah, the bears are starting to make an appearance. The price is starting to get pushed downwards. And, as I talk very recently, as of right now, this most current candle is actually, forming and taking shape to be quite the big red candle. So that doesn't mean, though, that everything's totally ruined, but that's where the key question that you need to ask yourself. So let's just use the 20-hour number. If you're watching this 20 hours from now, first question to ask yourself, where is the price relative to 204? As long as the price is still up above 204, that implies that progress is still possible. What do I mean by that? Well, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, what would you still have in this instance? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low right there. You'd have that low right there. You picture each of these as stair steps. And overall, the progress would still be going in the upwards direction. And that's what bullish moves do over time. They're going to make progress forward. So sure, right now, as I talk, things are looking kind of rough. The bears are showing up. But this is just, a 4-hour period of time. Looking at multiple days worth of time as opposed to just 4 hours, you can see that the price is still above 204. So that's definitely the key thing to watch. Now, if you're watching this and answering the question, that the price is now, let's just say at 196. Well, at that point in time, if it's at 196, that's literally has the price right back inside of that range of the chart before the big move even happened. And price movements that are truly powerful are not going to be going back to where they were, right? They're going to make signs and show progress. And one final time, the quote unquote sign of progress, or the progress point, however you want to visualize that, is right up at 204. So yes, just to reiterate, right now, at the time of the recording, the bears are making an appearance, but it's in a very short-term instance. As far as the big picture is concerned, the price still has an opportunity to build and make progress, so let's see if the bulls can stay up above 204 or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.